video. Today I am me. This is Doggy, and let me introduce you to William and Nico. So we're gonna be shooting a music video. So let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay. So
What is this?
it's camera. Blackpink in the hammer, and my mom and dad the crazy tita, dancing to the music in the nightingale. Don't you stop dancing to the music. Okay, daddy, don't you stop dancing to the music.
William, grab the charger because it belongs to me.
That was the most horrible thing I've ever seen. See you in the next video. Bye guys. Peace out.